So, if you somehow haven't paid attention to recent news in gaming, uh, you probably wouldn't know that Microsoft just bought Activision Blizzard. This could mean a lot of things. For one, there would definitely be a safer work environment, which is one of the main things that has been going on there. And I'm happy it's probably going to get resolved, considering Microsoft is much better with that sort of thing. Um, For one, for another thing, I think Call of Duty will definitely still be the main cash grab. Uh, if it isn't broke, don't fix it. um, and another thing is that Microsoft just got even bigger with Activision being bought recently and Bethesda from almost a year ago. So it's getting bigger. I have zero actual idea if Skylanders news is planned in the near future, but Microsoft is normally happy to revive certain titles. So, to be honest, I think things are going to get interesting. That's my 2 cents. Bye.